Welcome, this is Eric, and today I'll show you guys on how to download and install GoToMeeting. To download, go to Google, type GoToMeeting, download. So go to website, GoToMeeting.com, and you can see a download, GoToMeeting online. When you get to this page, click on the download on the top right corner. You'll be presented with this window, and it will tell you that GoToMeeting will start automatically after installation. So after downloading, click to run the GoToMeeting installer. So you have seen we have downloaded the installer. It's on the bottom left corner. Click on it. You say will be presented with this window. You can see it says success. GoToMeeting is installed and ready to go. And this is the window. You are presented with this window here. So let me minimize a little bit. Okay. Okay, I think you should be able to see everything. You can either join the meeting. If you do have a meeting ID, you can type here and say join. You can schedule some meetings, and you can preview your meetings. So thank you guys for watching. I was just showing you guys on how to download and install GoToMeeting. Thanks. Have a nice day.